Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows hardware and devices problems with Troubleshooter, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, the hardware and devices troubleshooter does not exist in the list of troubleshooters on Windows. You can check the list of troubleshooters and then other troubleshooters. You won't find it here. It has been removed, but we can still access it using the path. So the path is msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostic. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Paste it here and hit enter. I have shared this path in the description section. And don't worry that it says that it has been moved and this tool will be retired. They have been saying that for the past 3 years it will not be retired. Click on next and it will start detecting problems. It is still working. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.